Stop scrolling right now. I need you to hear something that cannot wait another second. Close everything else. Silence the noise around you. Because what I'm about to tell you is not random. You are meant to find this message today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Something inside you has been restless, hasn't it? That feeling that time is running out. That another year is slipping away and you're still standing in the same place, carrying the same weight, fighting the same battles. You've been praying, asking for a sign, wondering if anyone hears you. I'm answering you right now, but you have to be still long enough to listen. Type 111 in the comments. Do it now, before you read another word. This number represents new alignment, a fresh beginning, a signal that you're ready to receive what's coming. It's your way of saying, I'm here, I'm listening, I'm ready. Do it now. Let me tell you why this moment matters. I've been watching you longer than you realize. I saw you 3 months ago when you broke down alone in that room, when the weight finally crushed you and you couldn't hold it together anymore. I was there. I saw you 6 weeks ago when you made that decision nobody knows about, when you chose what was right even though it cost you something valuable. That didn't go unnoticed. I was there 2 weeks ago when you stood in front of the mirror and barely recognized yourself, when you realized how much this battle has changed you. I whispered to your spirit, it's almost over. I was there yesterday when you smiled through the pain, pretending everything was fine while your world crumbled inside. I counted every tear you held back. That's why you're here now, because you held on just long enough. You've been asking why your breakthrough hasn't come yet, why everyone else seems to move forward while you feel stuck, why your prayers seem to echo in empty silence. Let me answer that right now. Every prayer reached me. Every tear was collected. Every moment of suffering was recorded. None of it was wasted. The delay wasn't denial. The waiting wasn't punishment. The silence wasn't absence. It was all preparing you for what's about to happen. Hit the like button right now. This isn't about algorithms. This is about spiritual agreement. When you click that button, you're saying yes before you even see what's coming. You're showing faith. Do it now. Here's what you need to understand. What I'm releasing over your life isn't just one thing. It's multiple breakthroughs wrapped together. Financial provision, restored relationships, divine opportunities, peace that makes no logical sense, clarity about your purpose. Everything you've been praying for, I've wrapped into one moment of divine intervention. And that moment is coming within the next 7 days. But this gift requires something from you. It requires your faith demonstrated through action. It requires movement, not just belief. I need you to share this message with 2 specific people in the next 10 minutes. Their names just came to your mind. You know exactly who they are. One of them is about to make a terrible decision out of desperation. One of them is about to give up on something I told them to hold on to. Your obedience will interrupt the enemy's plan in their life. You'll be the answer to a prayer they prayed this morning. Share it now with 2 people. Let me tell you what's going to happen in the next 7 days. Within 48 hours, you're going to receive a message, a call, a text, an email that seems ordinary at first. Pay attention. Read between the lines. This communication contains information about your next step. It might be an invitation, an offer, someone reaching out to reconnect. Don't dismiss it as random. This is the first piece of your breakthrough arriving. Within 4 days, someone is going to speak a specific word to you, a word I've already whispered to you in your private moments. When you hear it come from someone else's mouth, that's your confirmation. That's me showing you this is real. Within 7 days, you're going to experience a shift. Something stagnant will suddenly start moving. Something stuck will break loose. Something delayed will accelerate. The gift will be fully delivered. Subscribe right now and turn on notifications. I'll be releasing time-sensitive instructions over the next several days. If you're not subscribed, you'll miss them. This isn't about followers. This is about staying connected to what you need to hear. Subscribe now. Comment right now, I receive my breakthrough. Type it exactly like that. This is your declaration. When you type those words, something shifts in the atmosphere around your life. Doors that were locked begin to open. Provisions held back begin to flow. Do it now. I received my breakthrough. Now listen carefully, because this next part is critical. Everything I just described is contingent on your obedience in the next 24 hours. Heaven has positioned everything. Angels are in place. Resources are released. Doors are unlocked. But now you must do your part. Within 24 hours, you must do two things. First, forgive someone who hurt you. You know who they are. Their name just came to your mind. What they did was wrong. The pain was real. But your unforgiveness is blocking the flow of your miracle. Forgiveness doesn't mean what they did was okay. It means you're releasing them so heaven can handle it. Say it out loud within 24 hours. I forgive you, I release you, I let it go. Second, take one bold step towards something fear has held you back from. Make that call, send that message, start that thing, whatever it is. Do it within 24 hours. Your courage will be met with supernatural power. Let me show you what the next 3 months look like if you obey. By next month, you'll be in a completely different position. The stress that kept you awake will be gone. That account that was always empty will show positive numbers. That thing you've been saying no to for years, you'll finally be able to say yes. By 2 months from now, the opportunity I opened will have you operating in a space you never imagined. People will ask how it happened so fast. The timeline won't make sense. You'll have moved from stuck to accelerated in weeks. By 3 months from now, others will notice the peace you carry. They'll ask what changed. You'll look different, lighter, settled. Your mess will have become your message. This is what obedience unlocks. I'm releasing a blessing over you right now as you read these words. May the door that's been closed suddenly swing open. May the person who walked away return with a changed heart. May the money you've been praying for show up from an unexpected source. May the peace you've been craving settle over your mind. May the clarity you've been seeking illuminate your path forward. May this be your turning point, the moment everything changed. In the next 3 days, you're going to see 3 signs that everything I said is real. First, you'll see the number 111 multiple times in unusual places. This is confirmation. Second, you'll hear a song that makes you emotional, lyrics that speak directly to your situation. This is me reminding you I see you. Third, you'll receive something from someone that shocks you because of its timing. Pay attention to these signs. Some of you are hesitating right now. You're wondering if this is real. Let me settle that question. The fact that you're still here, still reading, that something in your spirit won't let you click away, that's proof heaven is speaking. The enemy wants you to dismiss this, but something deeper than your logic is telling you to stay. That something is me. I am with you. I am for you. I will complete what I started. I will deliver what I promised. This is your moment. This is your time. This is your breakthrough. Receive it. Believe it. Walk in it. Now go back and do everything I asked. Type 111. Hit like. Share with 2 people. Subscribe. Comment I received my breakthrough. Forgive within 24 hours. Take the bold step. Your breakthrough is on the other side of your obedience. Don't let another moment pass.